So what up guys, this is Little Gun back again with another lecture for you guys. And today I'm gonna talk about how to say hello in a few different ways depending on situation you guys are in. And before I actually go into the explanation, what I would like you guys to know is first, Korean and English. I don't know if I already mentioned it, but first, the Korean and English don't always 100% equally matches. So every time you learn Korean, you should learn sentences and words within context and within the situation. Without it, what you have been learning might be meaningless or a dead language that you actually can't use in reality. And second, for those who's been learning Korean already through romanization, how you pronounce Korean might not be what native Korean actually sound like. So I recommend you to memorize the whole words by their sounds without splitting syllables. Okay? Just try to embrace and intake what you hear through a natural sound at a natural speed. Okay? Alright. So, of course, I know it's gonna be very more difficult for you to do so, but just trust me. As time goes, your Korean will be way much practical and better than your friends. So don't give up until you figure it out, because I'm here for y'all. Okay? Yeah. So number one. 안녕하세요. 안녕하십니까. I think you have already known about it. I mean, you guys have seen it and heard it so many times, So I'm not gonna give you any situation, because they can be used in any situation. It's exactly the same as hello and hi in English. So let's go. Number 2. 잘 지내? 잘 살아? 어떻게 지내? Present tense. 잘 지냈어? 잘 살았어? 어떻게 지냈어? Past tense. There are very very close to how is it going? How have you been? But they are not 100% same meanings. So to make you guys have more concrete and solid and vivid understandings of it, I will give you guys the example. You are in a situation where you run into your friends you haven't met for a while, and you kind of curious and want to know how your friends is doing. In this case, we use 잘 지내? 잘 살아? 어떻게 지내? Or 잘 지냈어? 어떻게 살았어? 어떻게 지냈어? Right? And then the point is, you actually use them when you are in a situation where you meet your friends who you haven't met for a while. Okay? There should be a time, a little bit of period of time that you guys haven't met each other. When you saw your friends yesterday, or when you saw your friends earlier today, in that case, you don't say 잘 지내? 잘 지냈어. We never say it. Okay? So don't forget the point that I just talked about. Alright? So the following, the answer would be either 잘 지냈어 or 잘못지냈어, positive or negative. And then following question that you probably ask is 뭐 하고 지냈어? Which ask the like more like specific things that what you know that your friends have been doing these days. So yeah, in case you wanna more updates about your friends, just ask the following questions. 뭐 하고 지냈어? Okay? After 잘지냈어. Okay? And third, 밥 먹었어? 아침 먹었어? 점심 먹었어? 저녁 먹었어? Okay. They are very close to how are you doing or how are you, but not 100% the same. So I gotta give you guys the example. You guys are in a situation, you see your friends coming to you or coming away somewhere in a campus or just in the alley or whatever, and you guys basically run into each other, and you actually notice your friends coming or going, but you don't. This is the point. In case you don't want to pass them without saying nothing, like you never saw them. Okay, this is the point. When you wanna let them know that you notice your friends there. Okay, in this case we say we call their names and get some attention from them, and then 밥 먹었어? 뭐 아침 먹었어? 점심 먹었어? 저녁 먹었어? Stuff like this. The funny thing is, even though Korean don't give a shit about whether they had something or not, but we actually use it and say it unconsciously without even though we don't really care about, right? It's true, So don't expect that your friends will pay for your meal, like they just say it. They just say it, in a friendly way. That's it. So don't expect too much from it. Today I went over how to say hello or hi in Korean in a few different and real ways. Okay, so don't forget the points that I mentioned in each word's explanation. Okay, and I know that the learning language just by sounds and within the context every time is really it's harder, but don't panic. Trust me, you'll be very very fine Korean speaker in the end with my ways, because this is the way I learn English, so never expect that there is perfectly perfectly matched words between Korean and English. Just focused on situation, focused on the context, focused on the what your counterpart doing and what you are doing. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video again. I'll see you around. Okay. See you.